we did on example 1, we're going to take a look at this pay stub and we are going to find gross pay, total deductions, and net pay. Like I already said, on a full pay stub, that information is going to be all listed for you. You won't have to be adding all this up, but unfortunately, that's how this works. So, taking a look, gross pay is listed, and this one's kind of up here hiding at the top. Not every pay stub looks exactly the same, but you can always identify that gross pay or your earnings. So I'm seeing gross pay in the amount of $3,526.32. And then we have this total deductions. If you look in the table here, it says all of these are deductions. So we have, long-term disability, state retirement, state tax. Ooh, we have a direct deposit net pay. Listen, just because we don't want to have to fiddle with this, net pay is listed for us, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in as one of our answers. 2376.51. If you've been in my classroom, you know this board is near impossible to read. Looks good. So that's my net pay. I definitely don't want to include, I like it because it's listed under deductions here, kind of weird. I definitely don't want to include that net pay in my deductions. The net pay is the money I'm receiving out from the company I work for. But we've got federal tax, FICA, Medicare and Social Security. We got some kind of illness insurance, dental coverage, a flexible savings account, life insurance for a child, life insurance for yourself, and vision coverage. It's a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, now listen, I could physically take each of these values and add it up, but since, oh, sorry, not this one, since they were so generous to give me the net pay amount, instead of adding up all of those horrible things in the table, I can take my gross pay and my net pay and subtract them to get my deduction amount. So that's actually what I'm going to do. Now I gotta slide it over. Much better. Sure. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put in 3526. Ugh. Sorry guys, it's not cooperating. 3526.32 as my gross pay, and I'm gonna subtract off that net pay 2376.51. Okay, that means that this person had a total of $1,149.81 deducted from their check. I'll try that again, guys. Let me get a pen here. What did I just say? $1,149.81? Yes. Okay, so instead of adding up all of those different amounts coming out of the check, since they gave me my gross pay and my net pay, I could just subtract the two to get the remaining total deductions.